Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest subjects across South Sudan and beyond. Let's start our report with Governor Jacob Dollar threat and Nasir community outrage. Our first and biggest story comes from Nasir, Upper State. Governor Jacob Dollar Root made a very serious and shocking speech when he visited the area on December 6, 2025. In his public address, he told NGOs, the organization that bring support, medicine, and food, to immediately relocate their operation to Nasir town. He said if they don't move by Monday, December 8, he will cancel their certificates and chase them out of the state. During his speech, the governor called these NGOs bloodsucker, saying they survive on the suffering of the people. He accused them of eating donor money and using the community paying to attract more funding. He also said he will personally cancel their licenses when he returned to Malakal. But that was not the only worrying part. A second video appeared online, spreading quickly among the Nur community. In this video, the governor, Jacob Dollar, attacked the supporter of Kang Makane, the Nur army leader in Nasir. In the viral video, Governor Dollar reportedly say anyone who support Kang Makane should not be allowed to sit among the Nur people. He say if anyone dare to support him, he will make sure a helicopter reach them and bomb them together with their livestock. These are extremely dangerous words to come from someone leading the state. Let's listen to the community reaction in Nasir. The Nur community in Nasir, the Jikany area, are deeply angry and disappointed. People are asking, how can a governor threaten to bomb his own people? How can a leader say his citizen will become a slave in Ethiopia? Why speak like an enemy instead of a leader? Many community elders, youth, and women groups say Governor Dollar's statement reminds them of painful memories, especially the past action of previous Governor Kwang Shorale, who never protected the Nur community when killing were done by the government forces. People remember the targeted killing of children, mothers, and elderly people. Not justice ever came, and now, hearing their own governor use threatening language, feel like history is repeating again. Let us be clear. NGOs are not perfect. Some have problems, but they also provide food, medicine, education, support, and humanitarian aid to the most vulnerable people. If these organizations leave Nasir, the common people will suffer the most. Many community members say, instead of chasing NGOs, the governor should improve security, reduce corruption, and make sure aid reach people who need it. Others say the governor should never joke about bombing people or displacing them. Leadership requires calm speech, peace building, and protection of the weak. This story shows a growing gap between the government leadership and the communities. Nasir people want peace, respect, and leadership that speak responsibly. Many feel the governor's words are dangerous and divide the Nur people instead of uniting them. And there is also a claim that those who welcome Governor Dollar in Nasir were his immediate family, not the entire community. Then move on to our second top story. Uror County revenge attack killed 10 people. So what happened in Uror? Our second story takes us to Jonglei State, where at least 10 people lost their life in a revenge attack between two related communities, the Shien Burlom and Shien Kwanlom group of Uror County. The attack happened early Saturday morning in Patai Payam. Eyewitnesses say heavy gunfire was heard even from Yuaiton. The fighting did not start today. It goes back to an incident in August 2025 during a celebration by the Shien Kwanlom community. One woman from the other side, the Shien Burlom, was accidentally shot and killed. That single mistake created anger, mistrust, and finally, revenge. This latest attack left 6 people dead from one group and 4 from the other. Many families are mourning. Youth fear another round of retaliation. Elders say the area is now full of tension. A civil society activist, Termanyang, condemned the ongoing revenge cycle. He said this conflict continued because the 2018 peace agreement is not being fully implemented. He also urged chief and community leaders to use traditional law to stop revenge killing. Communities in Jonglei and Upper Nile have suffered for years from cattle raiding, revenge attack, and cycle of violence. Unless leaders take serious action, the suffering will continue. Let's move on to our third top story. Suspect arrested in Twic for stealing cows. Our third story comes from Unity and Warab State. A man accused of stealing 15 cows from Mayom County has been arrested in Twic County after running for a week. The suspect reportedly drove the cattle away from Mayom and crossed into Twic. Authorities in Mayom alerted their counterpart in Twic and the search began immediately. With help from Division 11 Commander Romeo Attack Magog, the car were recovered and the suspect was arrested. Magog said the suspect will face the law because cattle theft create unnecessary conflict between communities. One surprising part of the story is that the car were handed to our wing spiritual leader, Guy Mashek. Local officials say Mayom authorities instructed them to do so, although many people still question Mashek's role. Guy Mashek is a well-known spiritual leader or a spiritual figure linked to several past communal tensions. National authorities even told him to leave Twic years ago, but local communities rejected that order. This kind of cattle-related conflict continued to threaten peace between neighboring communities. If the government does not strengthen security and discourage spiritual leaders from influencing conflict, the problem might grow. Today's stories from Nasir, Unity, and Twic remind us that peace is still fragile. Leaders must speak with responsibility. Communities must avoid revenge. And every citizen deserves protection, fairness, and truth. Here on Changfied News, we bring you reality without sugarcoating. We stand with the weak, the displaced, the victim, and the peaceful community members who want a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Biakamal Gwaseme, Biakamal Changfied YouTube channel. Kan kono nyam ka lerti mi jiram jidit goro jin bu subscribe to be notification bell bu jetwan ko mi tegaler mi ci bre Gwaseme ba chomala shube kiji bana je to kala nyam de kon ling Gwaseme ne jawaban linga ki report chano ku kwana Jacob Dollar, Governor Jacob Dollar, men kab apanal Jacob Dollar che chubre weekend Nasir ka jo chala take a video mi chala ko online. Governor Jacob Dollar jen cherwani to bombom to china gay chocolate ka shop da kanasir ka changa bakel ka pai wero ronkin dangro jen dangro wi diech wam roji tin yam ne dial chela do ne NGOs ki organization kon lokana ki lokana ka walkana kon mu kana chikan chubre we kan Nasir ajani bala isene ken baka kep ajani mishin ne da ti line jiwos niti mishikan bishop kan Nasir ka chanka baddak ka pai waro ronkin dangro jan dangro de diech ajani bala isene ken dial baka council ke baka watch yan baka joj e chobde ka malakal ka lo jogo malakal yan mo achu ke state be make sure no license ken chaka we kaka ka jo chalat ci governor Shanji on jaga cholo no nene ajane ke blood sucker ka ne cham kana na lo cham ngona kwa gwa mi mo ajane ne den kono chuch kwala cham no kwa ken komi na chuch bianji os ni bu ko benefit yoro kono kwala ngun la funding la we ken kan etin mo to kwa ju kwa la cham lo kwa NGO kwa la cham ka pin ajane wo bia cham no yu donor ajane shi chong ka gwa mo chui na a chela do ramu we tichi be kan Nasir na money ba license dien ba jonguk na me tu beje ko ngeje no ne tengwan ne lalat NGOs ka ganwere ti charen bar kan Nasir so gor ne chap ko ne to bu lo kan Nasir ko be ko lo jek a chela do no muet kana shi NGO shi kan chubre we kan Nasir no jene to be license ken dial be ga kep ko jodan chelat yeri podo mo chejitu so na me mi chalat ko gor jeno be NGO bu ka kan Nasir jala no be license ken baka ga me jaga ko pressure gen ko bineti bi kan NGO bi kan ka relocate kan Nasir ko buga wore wich governor foinde jomo chalat video le men show viral ka social media man die na ka jelong adobo dana chen wer community jaga jogo no nena ne tu kan makan kan support ajene baka bukare nyale ajene bo hoken baka nak their livestock ajene baka buka ben re nyal be jak ajene bene to buka la kwany role Ethiopia ci governor dollar ci rajo mo ci jalat ajene na wan mu kan makan wuje support kan makan and where I am leader ramu kan makan wuje support ajene yendial ko kun ke jiche no kun be book e jo mo ci jalat gwaz mu rajo tin ke video na me ci jazlan mi dite no kan wer community kay wi ka South Sudan amen wi diale ko ken ngum de kwer mi shit kano mi kemni state mi la governor da one community membe tin ka gadi and ka threaten no be ka book kerenial ajen do bala na ala ka lat keja wa ngweno dara mal dar jinu ngwa anyo ka jo chalat gwas dana roje tin ko chana che ka threaten chala da wona en wer ngwana no kang makane ne tin kono chaje welcome ko chini ngwan chi we wa ka jidwarin ka jidware ke jidwarin tin kontin kwa support nyang gwad roje tin chala do ne ngwan chi ka gaji lung man to speech moten ano yen chien gware mo yen kang makano yen support be book amano kun biyen wichen ala jor ki ala slave ki kwany role Ethiopia ki charul bunyo lunjo chana mo chaje look and wer community ke liu worldwide video la ja online guru je bi jek chana we ka ler do dien mede konling gwaza me te ga do dien mi ci tuok dar shal ke Uror County wal mi chala do chane dang wel sha connecten na me je ler rawde re duaran shal ke jongle state morwaike a doctor guy cook chala do nene chane dang wel sha kanak gwa mi ci korche tuok kam dur dangro kan do dangro to kon wer ko rodien dar mi shal ke shiem burlom ken shie konlom ne reti ka communities ne dangro ke ga jidwar kel ke jidur dangro kan jitok do dangro ti chika ga me to ko ra wari mi ci kon tuok ne ko kor gwa de chiwa dar shal ka patai ka jen sarre pay ko runwa waje jojo gwanu ne na shi community chika ga mi ci korche tuogo chala do chane dangwel chaka na kare kormo an ko mi ci da mo ko jen tuogo ne jok wa man to korjene wa kwi chik mi cha berka gwaji gwangar ko mutuna tan take celebration milatke are celebration kana mo je jojo gwanu cha chik mo cha jo ber accidentally she was shot accidentally kashu yere we jenan gwasmo na me jazro che yen kan ne kon kila shi mana chik mistake matot mu dong chalo ni jeno nakane je cha kur mu di che jenong cha na cha ka mo kare kan wana mo me cha guru ba ga tu ko cha wo dong ta nda na dong de chul ga jenong re kona wena mon chokan wa ka jen sarde mo kure chitwok ne dang bakel ka jidwar dien ne dang wan ka jidwar dien maden dial ka ne wel yala ni wo shingwani kine ko la dit chaje goro bari ga ma baje kapchonga ken ko chi liya che dit civil society activists ter manyang che condemn mishikanama jenna me chi mu gwalong iter manyang che 2018 peace agreement che je blame ke che guje no jen tegari ko mecha 2018 peace agreement mecha yatan jen ti dial de ga kapchong deri benkeling me darato jen ko kanalat jen mi chu na anteme nang naro din karodien rega me toga ka community ne tin kono tere wi ka jongle ku ko la nuare yan gwa danan liu na tin ne dang wel ka kwichek mi cha gojika ano jen nong liana lo mo gore na de ka charbo ano mi cha yu ka do be cha goje no gwech no chin den na de lo ka te ko ken ram nagran ngaje jela gur ko mone ban me gwech accident then la celebration cha lu ne je den mo che cha je kapchong but kananok ne content wana mo mi mo gorje no de ne dia de rightin ano mi te ka gon mi ti tok che de gano ramo de je chol ko de ngaje no gwech unless mi te kan ka ralawan wana ka lerdo dien ka riang mi chalat mi ti tok ba dar chal ke Twic chala no jen te ka twerkel dai wich ka dar chal ma warab state ye jien che wege yund state wa te ok chop ko wel dit che okwal wega kwal kama yom county engwe janka na me ok to che kwal che na nga Twic county wajin chaje gor ko kor ju ka ke lew kan jek men ta me wa chaje yere yuji win mi ka kwi ok dang wel dit ko ne che kwal wa ok to wega non kama yom wa cha ok to cha gor no ba lo jiken do ba dan lat ke je jangan win mi no ba nor ba lo yoken akan lukan kor dan la to kam na mi sharam dan ko lok mi changa wa ba kem ne point ko to ba lo jo ko cha gor no betike intercommunal violence mi beto ke bala ro chi tugul kan tugul me shiga nyi kon gwad mi te ke la to kam unity state kane dar chal ma warab jen mi kuji warab le gon to menu ana ma chi der shi dir ba dil ka ko ba ko to ba lo jo chala do division 11 commander win mi shala romeo attack magok jera madana kevok wa ok jaga recover ka jaga logiken dala no jaga kam radian mala nur spiritual leader mishala guy machek wa guy machek cha kamok to ko bega to bo kam jiken ci local official jigala do ne na gwada ina right tin ka ci ga yarno te ram ci kun ce kwal ci ne ka beta ma ko kan tin jaga jugno kam ka wudi shal ka me machek guy machek gen ko gok wa lo ka jere wucin winimi wajen la ko la ka nonga Gai ma shegara mangai ke well-known spiritual leader. Wajen ka korgwad ne che korgwad de shu wajala nyenya kana. No. Wa bogwe je no dong de koder tok but ko cha kan struggle no kam ka gai ma shek wa kana kamelo. Ne me mi shora lat re wichin winimi wa cha gan ma shek cha ka mok to ti jang ci karandien ram mo man kwalok ci kana yen ajen jo dan cha ara no mo. Ko cha goro betegre mbuto kam dor dangro ke kam win dangro ke kam sten dangro cha gu jeno ko to baga dilo jok alor etel kor ke terek so jo me de goro de yena ngach chana right ke Queen Nasir ke ne Uror ke unity ke jen Twic eno bana ngaje gwanu mal ngude tele jere wi ka South Sudan man goro de matin gwas me de la dungen konti la community special nur community che gwanu de na ri nak che gwanu de na nyin kam ken Reng muche tu okra mama michiri glada la kap ko neje yen chi manara mama michiri glada la ba kap ne gadun kira michiri glada biya kam ne tin kon la jukume baro jimo bawlat yene de kon ba tin kon ya mu keriek cha gurje no biya tere je kokor biya ko kun bu kum ne to ba ga kap kon tama micha naji en chari ben killing chajelat ri ben killing che be stop from there ba we wunyok bo ka tugdeli ka nyok chai be mal paru jene de to ba kor be non ka gwan ber ban mi jenna ga tukel lus na community dien los ke elders ka los ka kwar content wenamo wa kur me che dia toga imagine ne dang welti liu ka kwiram kel mi chi mistake chelat la do mo baje treat la mistake la gwan jen ko dang baje treat la major problem riek la gwi ke ram mo le jenga jeram dan la gwi ke long no ba kep ke ba yen baram le de kuje de kon mo la gwi kan ram le de ngaje de kon ka da so je do dam tuna ka je bar no dong bran be chang me la gwi ka ba je cha chit ko tam dong kwi wo mi na je ma abne wel bigale nyin ka kwi wo ko den ko baram ba je chul imaje ram kel mi chek yere jen cha ne wel ko ken cha lo mat ma den ya ne wel kel na mo ring di de long gore jen wo den nuer community de ka nyoko nyur ka kan ngote kola kare ni yen kije no china de la ngot ke miliuna ke mitek tek mi de mal kapcho so report me ajana na gore nyoka yekel mi jiram jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel please go no jin bi subscribe ko bi notification bell bi jetwan komte mi ci bare bi chama la ci be kaji an bi atagamal bye bye